Elliott Equipment Company's D86 Digger Derrick is the perfect choice when you need to dig holes, set poles, install screw anchors, or position people and materials. Built on 70 years of experience, the D86 offers the highest available digging torque and lifting capacity in its class. Whether it's transmission construction, storm work, or anything in between, the D86 is suited for your most challenging jobs. With a 20,000 foot-pound 2-speed auger drive, you can easily remove dirt without the need for manually cleaning the bit. The D86 has a digging radius of 27 to 41 feet to reduce the need for multiple setups and has a side load protection system to reduce gearbox wear and tear. The D86's high pinpoint boom geometry gives you the most power out of the hole so you can lift a full auger with ease. Designed for your heaviest challenges, the D86 has the industry's best lifting performance and can lift 11,000 pounds at a 30-foot radius. That's 64% more than anything else on the market. The unit has a planetary winch with a 50,000-pound lifting capacity, equipped with 335 feet of 7/8-inch synthetic rope with a 12,000-pound single-line pull. You will enjoy Elliott's ergonomically designed rotating open-seated control station. Its open-seated design is easy for ingress and egress and provides outstanding lines of sight while operating the Elliott D86. Featuring continuous rotation, the unit's full-pressure, oil-over-oil hydraulic controls, ergonomically located in the operator's armrest, deliver smooth, low-effort controllability for less fatigue over long shifts. Elliott's RCL hydraulic capacity monitor is simple to use and easy to maintain. For pole installation and removal, Elliott designed a wide-mouthed detachable hydraulic pole claw with gripping and tilting functions. The pole claw is engineered with enhanced arms to handle a larger variety of poles. This machine will accommodate your application, pole size, and conditions, and is designed to make light work out of your heaviest jobs. For easy and secure setup in a variety of conditions, the Elliott D86 comes standard with out and down type outriggers with full and mid-size extension, which allows narrow machine setup. High penetration easy grip outriggers are also available to reduce the need for cribbing. Need to lift people too? Elliott offers an optional gravity-leveled yoke-style 2-person personal platform with a 600-pound capacity and integrated stainless steel grounding lugs. You can also add an optional wireless remote control system that not only controls the boom, but also the digger and the pole grab functions. The radio remote allows the operator to be close to the work being performed, whether in the personal platform, setting poles, or digging holes. Other options for the D86 include multiple auger sizes, various capacities of hooks, blocks, and holders, hydraulic reservoir heaters, LED work and warning lights, upper and lower hydraulic tool circuits, and much more. For your peace of mind, every D86 comes with a 1-year parts labor warranty and an industry-best lifetime structural warranty. For more information on the D86 and the entire line of Digger Derrick models, visit elliotequip.com. Elliott, built for you.